Astronomy GCSE topic 16, dark matter and dark energy. What is dark matter? Well, 85% of the matter in the universe is dark matter. What is dark matter? It's matter that is dark. It doesn't absorb light, it doesn't reflect light, it doesn't emit light, so we can't detect it. Okay, when I say light, I mean any type of electromagnetic radiation. It is basically invisible. We know it's there because of its gravitational effect on what we can see. For example, the gravity of what we can see in this galaxy. If you look at this galaxy, there shouldn't be, if just by looking at it, there shouldn't be enough matter there to hold it together. It should fly apart. And that tells us that there is a lot of matter there which we can't see. From the way it rotates, we have calculated that there must be more mass than we can see. Basically, these galaxies spinning round, they should be spinning faster around the middle, and they're not. They're actually spinning at the same speed all of the way round, and that is telling us that there's more mass there that we can't see. And then lastly, there have been computer models of the universe evolving, and if you run this computer model with the amount of mass that we can see, it doesn't work. We don't end up where we are now. If you say that there's a lot more mass, then we do end up with where we are now. So computer models predict the existence of dark matter. We don't know what it is. Scientists think it could well be some kind of particle that we don't know about. Not protons and neutrons, but some kind of new particle that hasn't been discovered yet. And it's very, very difficult to detect because it doesn't emit or absorb anything, and it doesn't interact with what we know, apart from through gravity. So it's not charged. It's not positive or negative. It doesn't interact with anything apart from gravity, and that makes it very difficult to detect. There's this idea, they've called them wimps, weakly interacting massive particles. Over at CERN in Geneva, in the old particle accelerator there, this is one of the things that they are looking for. They're looking for dark matter particles, but they haven't got them yet. What is the future of the universe? Now, there are three things which could possibly happen to the universe. It could keep expanding forever. It could get bigger and bigger and then stop. It could expand and then stop and then contract, get smaller and smaller, and possibly we'll end up with a big crunch. So big bang, it expands, then it stops, then it comes back in again, big crunch. So these are the three possibilities. Now, which one of them will happen will depend on how much matter there is in the universe, how much stuff there is, because that will affect the amount of gravity. If there isn't enough gravity to pull the universe back in, then it will keep expanding forever. If there is enough gravity, then it will pull it back in and we'll get a big crunch. Now, it has been discovered that the universe is actually accelerating. It's actually expanding faster and faster. And scientists are a little bit confused as to why. There appears to be some kind of negative gravity which is pushing outwards on these galaxies, pushing them apart. And we don't know a great deal about it. The stuff that's causing it to happen has been called dark energy. Okay, so it's some kind of negative gravity which is pushing galaxies apart faster and faster. Perhaps it's something to do with space itself. I'm not really going to get into the curvature of space-time at the moment, but according to Einstein, there is a possibility that it's something to do with space itself, which is causing these galaxies to accelerate away from each other. One important thing is that because of the universe is believed to keep expanding forever, then it will get less and less dense as time goes by. It will get cooler and cooler and cooler, and we will end up with the big chill. When all of the fusion has run out, the universe will end up as very, very, very big, not very dense, very cold, a very cold, dull, icy, dark place, the big chill. Something to look forward to.